What up? Yeah, it's Project Peso on a Wednesday hump day. It's the 6th of May. Wait, I didn't say SEX. Yeah, that's 6th of May. I'm in a good mood. Guess what? We up 1%. And check out our portfolio, yo. 1.3 million. It just broke a 1.3 million. I do believe yesterday it was just right around 1 million, 1,260,000 or somewhat like that. But check it out. The day's unrealized profit 1% up 14K, unrealized loss down 32K. How'd you love that? I'm pretty grateful for that, yo. Stock portfolio, cash. Whoop. No moves for today, but we just be reviewing what we have for today and roughly some market news. All right. So sit tight, listen, because we about to do the blackout ledger autopsy with your boy Project Peso. So first up, let's check out the index. So here's the number one movers, ICT. Woo! Yeah, we got ACEN too. Both of these are within our portfolios. Talking about Tel is there. So top gainers, we got ACEN 7%, ICT 5%. Wow, two of our holdings being the top gainers for today. And on the flip side, it's quite funny because we do have plus. Damn, man, I don't know what to do about this. Negative 6%. I think we already down right around 12K. We'll check that one out later. So before anything else, top gainers for today. Let's see if we know anyone. Oh, Apex. Ah, damn. There's one of those plays that I could have sworn, man. I wanted to buy around 15.5 yesterday. I was just too busy. I wasn't able to capitalize. Dominion Holding continuing its rip. Come on, man. This was just right around three or four pesos the last time I said it 2 to 3 months ago. Now it's up 7.89, almost 100, almost 100 now, 100% jump. Hmm. Worst losers for today. Let's see. Oh, Maxis, definitely a speculative play. If these speculative play, if you will notice, one day they up 30%, next day down 20%, the next day they up 15%, though it's in a downtrend, just like Maxis, I can tell. We can tell with the numbers that it's generating recently. So our trade for today, check it out, none. That's why we have our current dry powder still the same, sitting at 53,000. Yep. Now let's check out our portfolio. I'm excited for this. Check it out, man. ICT, man. Woo! Yesterday, I believe ICT was just right around 740. Though yesterday, like what I said, around 10 a.m., it reached around 780. Now they closed the deal at roughly we now plus 14%. Morocco, man, almost 10K now. Almost 10K now. What else? Where's Apex? We have a lot of not that much of Apex mining stocks, but still, I've been saying I've wanted to buy back in, but I just ugh, we missed it yesterday. Here's Dell. We down 2.16 and ACEN, the other good move. So check it out. Unrealized profit from negative 24K, now down 10K. I'm excited for the next 2 to 3 weeks up until next month when we check out ASIN to the moon, baby. Hopefully, we can get out of this position and even make some money while we at it. You know. What else we got? hmm Not talking about, wait, Metro Bank got back to 64.0. Oh, shoot. I'm going to buy this tomorrow for real. For sure. For sure. And this is what I was talking about. We down 70%. Now 16K unrealized loss. That's with Plus Digital. Seen that? So now for the funds. Our very first day holding the ALFM Money Market Fund. Our 20,000 pesos earned 3 pesos and 47 cents. That's per day. So now we have 20,000, 20,000, 3 and 47 cents. I just love that, man. We adapted to the market. When I saw the news, 7.2 inflation, it scared me. But we know on a daily basis we do this. We check out the market news. We check out our portfolio. We try to analyze correlation from one stock to the news and whatnot and what the possibilities are. So that's how we do it. All right. So let's break it down. So our portfolio secured a commanding plus 14K just for today, yo. Perfectly mirroring the PSEi's broader 1.17 market recovery. This upward pressure pushes your total consolidated equity to 1.3 million. Yeah. The overarching unrealized profit of 32K, maintaining clinical execution and emotional detachment allows the portfolio to capture these massive swings without compromising the core accumulation strategy. That's what we are, yo. So, Catalyst breakdown, fact check 101. Yo, ICT, baby, 5%. ICT was a massive anchor for our profile today, jumping 38 pesos, share to close at 785. The catalyst. ICTSI just reported a 23% increase in its first quarter 2026 net profits. Well, you know what? This news was just the other day, if I'm not mistaken. They're just continuing their role. You know, most analysts is pricing ICD right around 900, most probably 950 if the PSEi goes bullish this year. And you know how we are, we always bullish. It's just about strategizing and finding the right stock to ride. Apex Mining, the great SKP, up 8.68%. Yep. Come on, man. I should have bought that 15.5 price yesterday. I was just too busy. So Apex was our top percentage gainer, rallying hard to close at 16.78. Strong momentum is carrying over from their recent annual stockholders meeting on April 30, which saw the election of new independent board leadership. Furthermore, furthermore, the market continues to aggressively price in their recent mandate to double cash dividend rates from 10% to 20% of net income. Analysts currently highlight the stock as trading at good value compared to its regional mining peers. Talking about OGP, but OGP is all about dividend yielding, not Apex, where their capital expenditures are really maxing out, just like ICTSI, growth, 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 growth. That's how it is. So here we go. ACEN Corp up 7%. Thank God, yeah. We've been down with ACEN for as low as unrealized loss of 32,000. Now it's only 10K. So aside from the recent shelving of their 30 billion pesos rights offering, ACEN is currently locked in a high stakes battle to retain its spot in the 30-member PSEi. So that pushes it's trying to push in some numbers so that it can stay in the PSEi because that's important. A joint study by First Metro Securities and DBS Bank noted that Maynilad Water Services is highly likely to enter the index in August. Damn. Is this why DigiPlus is going down right now? Sure, man. Come on. Let me out. And ACEN is direct risk deletion. Heavy institutional trading is driving up ACEN's volume as it fights to maintain its market cap and liquidity thresholds. And for the only negative news for today, here we go. DigiPlus down 6.35%. Plus took the heaviest hit in the portfolio today, dropping to 13.86. Plus is suffering from the exact same index rebalancing pressures lifting ACEN. DigiPlus is one of the three companies flagged as highly vulnerable to be removed to being removed for the PSEi to make room for Maynilad. Gotta check out Maynilad, man. Analysts estimated 30%. You know what? Let's cut this out. Let's check out Maynilad right now. Damn, how much is Maynilad right now? Huh? I think we should get in. Yep, Maynilad. Yep. So it's at 23 point. Wow. Consensus target of 23.26. It's getting high and still it's a buy from analyst. 23.5. Let's look at the chart. Shoot, man. Damn. 1 year. So there you go. I think it let's just buy most probably let's just buy one. Let's try to buy one. Okay. Volume, the least price. Let's do the ask price. How much is this? 2300. Okay. There you go. Okay. So order queued for processing. So there you go. 2K right around for tomorrow morning session. I'm excited, man. Just like daily when it comes to Philippine Stock Exchange. We excited. Hope you are as well. So that's a wrap for the daily autopsy of the Project Peso blackout ledger. You know what? See you tomorrow. It's a Thursday. I'm excited. Hope you are too. Ciao.